Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fancy, and if today's your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel now. Click the post notification bell to always get notified whenever I post a new video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys for joining me again today. Don't forget to click the post notification bell as well to always get notified whenever I post a new video. I love you guys. Thank you. So guys, today I'm gonna be doing a review on this. This is a 14 inches bob wig from Luvme hair. So it's actually from one of the new collections. So I'm gonna try it on today and let you guys know what I think. So firstly, I'm gonna go ahead to unbox this beauty. This actually looks so pretty, isn't it? Yeah, I like the packaging. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've got inside this box. So the hair comes in a purple bag, yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's the hair. And oh, we got a card, like a book says, enjoy your hair journey. Yeah, looking forward to that. And we got a wig cap. I'm gonna put this on now. So I got a styling comb. And before, oh, I got a book here that says Return and Refund. Oh, I think they still have more. Oh wow. Oh. So guys, this week is Glueless. I like the fact that it comes with an elastic band already, so I don't have to worry about that. It has clip, and clip. This is awesome, guys. And this is how you're gonna receive this wig, just like these pretty cars. So I'm gonna go ahead now to style the wig, give it like a soft curls. This was actually required by the company. If it was left to me, guys, I would have gone with the one the hair came with. It was really nice curls, but this was the required look, so yeah. So what I really think about this hair, guys, this bob wig is a bomb. This hair is really beautiful. I love the fact that it just fits my hair properly, and the texture is very soft. It's 100% in my hair, trust me. And also I love the fact that it's glueless. It's very easy to put on your hair, take it out at any time. If you're that kind of person that always walk, you know, like me, you need this wig. It's gonna help your life, trust me. You don't have to worry about your edges, nothing. It protects your hair and it's easy to style on your hair. And the fact that it's a fringe, oh my god, I so much love this hair. It has an elastic band to just hold it properly on your hair. You can easily like shake my hair right now. It's not even coming out. You can get this hair in less than $130, I guess. on the website. So go get yours now, guys, and rock it like me. I bet you're gonna like this hair. Hey gosh, you're gonna like this hair because I love the hair already. This is what I was looking forward to, and I'm gonna say thank you, Luvme hair, for this hair. It's amazing, guys. Go get yours now and tag me. Guys, if you love this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, like, share, comment. Let me know what you think about this video and what you think about the review in the comment section. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Mwah.